Hello guys, welcome back. So my name is Chesko. I am a Microsoft MVP in business application category. So this week was Microsoft Build 2024 and they talk a lot about Copilot. That's why I'm bringing this video to you to understand what is these features of Copilot that are coming into the Power Apps especially, and then what is the idea of this Copilot integration into Power Apps? Copilot is coming to be our team member. You understand? When you are a Power Apps developer, you know that Copilot is coming to be part of that team with you. If you're alone, Copilot is joining you and the two of you together building apps faster. So Copilot is actually trying to join this fusion between the local developer and the pro code developer, training all together and giving them support all together. So from this chart here, you could see that Copilot is here to help the business-minded people, the business people to create app easily, while also helping the developer to explain the code, and is also helping the IT people to understand or recommendation about the governance, how to manage some of the security part of the system. So Copilot is actually helping a whole team together building up faster and secure. Now let's go to see these new features that they brought in. They brought these new features that help us to first of all generate the code. Like you just put the comment and the generation starts, and then you generate the code, and you just need to press tab, and then the code is copied and pasted in for you, actually working. You have also this feature to explain the code, whereby if you have a complex code that is already created, somebody generated created the app, and you open the app, you don't understand some of the codes, so you just need to click on that, and then the Copilot to be able to explain the code for you. And the most interesting part is that Copilot will explain the code for you in according to the app where the code is written. So based on that app context, that's where Copilot is able to explain the code for you. And it goes deeper into understanding the kind of buttons, the kind of icons you put in, and Copilot can easily explain all those things for you. The other one is the data modeling, where they brought in the data modeling. So this particular one is the data webshot, where they give you that opportunity to be able to add more data source to your Copilot creation. So that interface where you input to create an app, it mostly creates an app with a single page, with a single data source. So with these new features that are coming, you'll be able to create an app with different data sources together, either from Excel, for SharePoint, or from Dataverse. You'll be able to add all those tables together and put the relationship. As you can see here, you could see before creating the app, then come this screen where you give the relationship among the how do you call it, among the tables, and then you can edit the tables here. You can add additional column into the particular tables that you generate. You can also here from here add a new table and give it a lookup. So basically this is what is coming into the few months for us that will be integrating into the Power Apps. This particular part help us understand the code, whereby we see some app that you inherit and then some of the code you don't understand. So you just click the Copilot, and then Copilot will try to explain that code for you. And you can even copy that code and paste it on top of the code, the formula that is already there, to have that explanation as a comment inside the formula bar directly for you. So this is a demo where you see how the first screen is, and then you give a comment, and in the comment create an app to manage movie, event, room, and staff for Cineplus. So this is the environment of Clay, Clay, who was doing the demo at Microsoft Build. So you could see here you have different type of uh, information here, and the app is being created. But this will redirect you to the table part where it brings all the table together for you to work with. It take a little time because it's actually doing the work at the back. And here you go. At this point, you could see that you have all the different table here. You have staff, you have room, you have movies. All these are dataverse tables created, and then you could even select a table and then edit it, and you could even see the raw data, the data, the sample data that has been added to the various tables over here. You can even add a new column on or edit that. Aside this, you can also integrate either Excel or SharePoint list right from here. You can also you just give a prompt, you create a new prompt. So create a table for food packages. So right from here, then the table will be generated, and then the table is already created. But at this point, it doesn't have any relationship with the other tables. So you need to give this a relationship by either dragging and connecting it to it, or you give it a lookup. You create a lookup field. So here you say add a lookup column connecting to the food package table. So we add a lookup from the movie table connecting to the food package. And once you do that, it works and it brings this connection back together. And at this level, you have four four tables that are coming into the app. So let's see how the final action will be. Now you save and open the app. It take a little while to do the blah blah blah, trying to join all together, the relationship and everything, and build the app for you. All right, so you could see our app is ready and has, instead of one screen, it has five additional. It has five screens altogether. Let's go back. It has five screens, and then all are connected with the various tables that's need to. So we have the welcome screen, and aside that, you have full screen, you have room screen, you have movie expense screen, you have staff screen. All these are connected together. So the other one he is trying to show us here how Bing is easily integrated into your studio. You know, sometimes you would like to, let me just pause it. Sometimes you would like to search something quickly online and come back. Either you go on Bing or on Google. But here, right from your app, you have the discussion where you can ask Copilot, and easily it goes through Bing search and then bring a result for you. And once the result comes, it gives you additional how do you call it, where you fetch that data from, so that you can easily go and find it reference. That's what I mean. So you can easily find the reference and go to that particular page to continue reading your reference. Another one is how to just format easily, right, from it without even knowing how to code. So here you just select the date label over there, you go to Copilot, then you have conditional formatting or text formatting, then you select text formatting, and here you are just selecting, you're just trying to format the date and time, and you could see that it has changed. You just select it and apply, and it simply modified that thing without writing a single line of code. See how fast this help in working. It make time, so production become quicker than delay. At first you need to now code that and then write this formula that can take you like some, let's say, like some 1 minute typing all those things. By within 10 seconds, you're able to generate that code and put over there. So next is trying to explain the code. So there is a formula of code that is there and he does not understand it, so he just click and then explain me what is the code over there, and it give you a full on explanation of the code that is inside the app, not actually outside. So what that code does, that is what it's trying to do. So another one here is that how to easily bring the code live by some comment. So instead of you to type, you just add a comment and the code comes. So let's see how it does it. So you open the formula bar while selecting that particular icon. Then what is here? You say give the initials of the item's staff name first and last. So it starts generating the code to find what you mean, and then it create an example of the code for you what you want, and then you just need to just accept it or click tab, and then here you go, and you could see the hashing, the reflection to over there. Very easy. Just give your comment and it generate that particular code for you. It help you faster, and you could see how that code is a bit longer. This could take like some 30 seconds in typing all this, or even if you are faster. But imagine within 5 seconds, you're able to generate that code over here. This is what is coming into the few months in Power Apps. Now, there are other features that are coming to help not only that particular developer together with Copilot, but all the developers together to work on a particular app. You know, sometimes you are working on an app and then you do not close the app, then a friend of yours who is also, sorry, a colleague of yours who is also working on that particular app, or who want to work on that particular app, realize that you are in editing mode of that app, and then he cannot work, and he has to call you that, hey guys, please can you close the app at your end so that I can access it. But with this new feature that is integrating in the app, we can all collaborate together. This is where the fusion is coming in. While using Copilot to do all the magic in, then we also working together to make work faster. And alongside with this, there are some copy and paste of code from the YAM file itself directly, the YAM code directly. So here, this is a demo where you could see that somebody is editing the app, but this is not the same person. Now, you could see the person editing the app is right here, and then this new person too is actually editing the app. They are all working together. Both of these developers are actually working at one particular screen, that is facilities management, and the person is trying to give a comment where you can give the comment, so that, and the comment icon is also visible at this side for everybody to know that there's a comment over there. Let me view what is this comment saying. So in the app, you can all be chatting together and further it. So at this point, you could see that while this person is here, the other colleague is actually working on uh, this particular roadmap here, and this is just happening live. Both of them are working. So first of all, this person added a button, and then the other person is here. You could see is actually editing that button. You see, so this person just edited it and write a clean as a test on it to show clean. And let's see what the other person is doing actually now. So you could see that this it was just a button added from this particular user, while the other user added the code that is shown in the formula bar here. So this is the new features that are coming in, working together. A pro developer, a local developer, or whoever it is, all working together on the same app, on the same screen, on the same button or icon or controls within the app. These are some of these new features that are coming into the few days, the few months into Power Apps. So let me come back to my development environment and let's see. Here, I tried doing some of these things and I generated a new app here. So here is my app. Unfortunately, I don't have the features that create additional data sources to the app yet. But as you can see here, I have the search engine here that is available for me. And let me see how to add a flow to a button. And I send it. And then let's see if it will generate me that Bing search uh, that will appear. Okay, so actually that feature is not available for me now, but it's something that is coming maybe very soon it should be in. But you could see it's already okay. I understand. So the beam features is disabled for me, and I need to enable it. So let me try it again. I've enabled it, and then let me rewrite it again. How to add a flow to a button. So let's see if it will work now. So mostly when this happen like this and I need to actually get this quickly, I have to go open another browser and search that particular thing and come back. But right from here, I have this here, and you could see how to add a flow to a button in Canvas, and it has the steps here and also has the reference where you could see the reference here, reference 1 and reference 2. When you click on it, then you open the references in the Microsoft Learn right away. So this is one great one. So you need to enable the bin search before you can be able to use these particular features here. So the other one here, let me see. All right, so once you select a label, you have Copilot that is available. So let's select Copilot. Okay, now you have text formatting. Then it give you these features where you can select the orders. So by quality, quantity, by product name. But I just want to change the format. So it was actually 1/1/2022. So let me do it this way. Generate. So I like it. I just apply, and then let's close this and see. And here you are. It has come easily. So let me try and select this. Let's see what it has. So this item dot product name. Let's see how to explain this. Great. Now it give me an explanation. I can just copy this, come here, go to another line, and I paste it as a comment. So let me expand this, and here you are. I give at least a comment of this particular code, what it does, but it can do it. It can do for more complex one. So let me select, let me search for this plus. No, okay, this edit will work. So let's try and explain this. So let me redo that again. Okay, I copy it, I come, and I open the comment section and I add it as a comment. So somebody who come here knows that, okay, actually this particular code that is here, this is the meaning, this is what it means, what the code does. These are some of these cool features that you have in Power Apps, and stay tuned for more of these. There are other announcements that are come to Power Automate and Power Pages too. So don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon while I bring you all other contents in the next coming weeks. Thank you. Bye bye.